Yo, what's really good? It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm here with my man Santan. What's up, man?
What's up, Daddy?
Yo, look, we got a very special video today, man, because we're going to be reviewing the Yeezy slides in a kid size, you feel me? I'm going to go ahead and give you a look at the slides. I'm going to give you my review on the sizing, and you know I got to give you some outfit ideas. Stay tuned. All right, and welcome back, man. So right here I do have the box, man, so we're not going to waste any time, you feel me? We're going to get right into it. So you know I have my trusty box cutter, so I'm going to go ahead and slice it down the middle. Peel back, gang. We are outside. After you slice it down the middle, what we supposed to do?
Peel back.
We supposed to peel it back, man. So we're going to peel it back, and let's go ahead and go to the other side. We're going to peel it back. All right. Oh yeah, can't wait to see what we got in here for you, man. All right, and here we do have the box, man, and it does say slide on it right here. Let's go to the back. It says Yeezy slide, you feel me, made by Adidas. Let's go ahead and go to the front. It's a Yeezy slide kids in the Onyx colorway right here. Let's go see if you can get a little bit of that label right there. This is the Onyx colorway, you feel me? I did get a size 13 because in like Nikes and Jordans, he wears a 12. So they do suggest you size up. So I went ahead and sized up and got the 13K for the slides. And let's go ahead and look at them, man. Here we go. Ooh, what you think? What you think?
Good.
Good? You like them? All right, here, go ahead, hold them, man. These are for you, remember? All right, so I'm gonna just talk about these just real quick, man. This is a one-piece slide right here in that Onyx colorway. So basically, you're looking at a black color right here. You do have a part for the toes to kind of stick out a little bit right there on the front. We got some nice grooves. You know, you could kind of say they groovy, right?
It does do it.
Yeah, you can put your foot on them. It has the groove, so you get nice grip, you feel me? Here we go right here. It does have a Adidas kind of logo raised up right there, man. But, I mean, there's not too much to say about these, but they look very smooth. They look comfortable. You know we got to give you some outfit ideas, right? You got some stuff? Oh yeah, you know he got some stuff, man. So we're gonna go ahead, put these on feet. We're gonna go ahead and look at the sizing, man. You can wear these with socks, without socks, you feel me? You can go ahead and wear these to the pool. I think they're very versatile. Initially, I did want the pure. That's kind of like that light tan color. I wanted those first. But then I said, you know what, man, the black, he'll be able to beat these up and they won't really get as dirty as the pure or some of the other colorways, man. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and give you that on feet, and we're gonna give you the outfit ideas, man. Stay tuned. And right here, as you can see, they fit perfectly. So I definitely agree with the going up one size. I mean, you can see the foot fits right in that bed perfectly. And right here we do have the Adidas t-shirt on with some swimming trunks, you feel me? Definitely got to coordinate the colors, and like I said, you could definitely wear these slides with swimming trunks. I mean, clearly it's a good look. And right here we have the Adidas t-shirt with the Adidas shorts. Now you don't only have to wear Adidas, but if you're going with a sportswear brand, definitely go with Adidas. If not, you can rock H&M, you know, Forever 21 stuff. Anything else is cool. And my man Santan, you already know he had to swag it out one time. And overall, man, I really give these slides a 10 out of 10. I mean, they look very comfortable. He likes them. I mean, I feel like it's a win-win. And you could kind of say that they hit it out the park.